Alright, Sunday afternoon up at the tiny house and got a couple projects done this weekend. Two of the big projects that I really wanted to get done inside of the tiny house was my water heater late last year was acting up, and I don't usually run the water heater during the winter. So I called the store I bought the heater from, and I had a 2-year replacement plan. And they wanted me to go through a bunch of crap to send it in and manufacture this and manufacture that. Well, I talked them into them sending it in, and I picked the new one up yesterday. So they said it was deficient. The gas thing wasn't releasing gas when it was supposed to, so the timing on it was off. So I ended up getting a new water heater. I put that in yesterday, and with the new water heater, I decided to celebrate with a new kitchen faucet, a new kitchen faucet. The faucet I had was old and worn out. I found one on Craigslist for $10, brand new in the box. So I brought that one back here and I hooked it all up. System's got no leaks. I've got hot water and running water. And now with the new water catchment system up, I'm catching rainwater to use in my water system. So this tiny house is just one more step to being 100% self-sufficient. We're basically running on sustainable resources. The one thing that this year I think I'm going to be changing over to is running a wood stove, so I can take myself off of propane as well. And once I make that shift, everything that I need to stay up here is gathered up here. Water's off, catching water. I'm running solar power. Think I'm going to add a wind turbine this year, and we'll be burning wood. And with all the dead tamarack trees I have on my property right now, I probably got 5 years worth of wood right on my property standing dead. So I think looking forward to the long-term sustainability of this tiny house. Shelter in place, can stay here long-term. Completely self-sufficient. There's everything we need right here on this 40 acres. So hope you enjoy the video, and thanks for watching.